You ever notice how some people just command attention? They walk into a room, and instantly, people respect them. They listen, they gravitate toward them. But here's the thing. Charisma isn't magic. It's not something you're born with. It's a skill. And today, I'm going to show you how to instantly appear more confident using science. Confidence isn't about faking it. It's about certainty. When you're sure of yourself, whether in your words, your actions, or even your presence, people pick up on that. Think about it. When someone speaks in a hesitant, unsure way, what happens? You doubt them. Even if they're telling the truth, they don't seem convincing. Now, imagine someone who speaks with calm certainty, not rushing, not over-explaining, just saying what needs to be said, and letting it sit. That's powerful. Your body speaks before you do. Studies show people judge your confidence in less than a second before you say a single word. And the biggest giveaway? Your posture. Straighten your back. Relax your shoulders. Keep your head up. Not stiff, not robotic, just natural, but open. Also, eye contact. Not in a creepy staring way. Just comfortable, steady eye contact when you speak and listen. It makes people feel like you're in control, like you're present. The power of pausing. Ever heard someone speak too fast? It makes them seem nervous, unsure, like they're afraid of silence. Confident people, they own the pause. Next time you speak, slow down, let your words land. Take a second before you respond. It does two things. One, it makes you seem more thoughtful. And two, it forces people to pay attention. Mirroring. Have you ever noticed that when two people get along, they naturally copy each other's body language? One leans in, the other leans in. One crosses their legs, the other does the same. This is called mirroring, and it's a subconscious way we build connection. Try it. Next time you're talking to someone, subtly match their energy. If they're relaxed, relax. If they're animated, be a little more expressive, not in a forced way, just naturally, and watch how much smoother the interaction feels. The mindset shift. The biggest mistake people make, they walk into a room thinking, do they like me? Confident people think differently. They ask, how can I make this person feel good? That's the secret. Confidence isn't about getting attention. It's about giving energy. People don't remember what you said. They don't even remember what you did. But they always remember how you made them feel. And when you make people feel good, they'll see you as confident, magnetic, and charismatic. Now, which of these will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more insights like this, you know what to do.